Hi guys, Abs here and welcome to this video on Ezistack. This is video number 5, where I'll be showing you how you can scale your entire operation with power, consistency and control. So in the last 4 videos, we built fast, we gained full control, we applied strategy and we unleashed SEO power. And today we go deeper under the hood. You'll see how Ezistack adapts to you, your workflows, your style and your vision. This is about freedom to scale your way. So the journey so far. In video 1, we built your first traffic asset. In video 2, I showed you total traffic control. Video 3 was AI mastery and video 4 was SEO wizardry. This means you've seen how to build and host optimized websites fast, how to take full control over every piece of your content and structure, how to use AI to plan, write and scale smarter, and how to keep your sites fresh, relevant and SEO powered automatically. And now in demo 5, we go deeper. In the last video, I asked what you wanted to see next, and your feedback lit up our inbox. Most requested: WordPress integration, membership features, funnels and lead generation pages, custom templates, working stores with checkout flows. Well, today's your day. So that's exactly what I'll show you today. In this video, I'll show you how to connect and manage your entire WordPress network from the one place, how to lock content, categories and widgets behind secure memberships, how to create full funnels, landing pages, upsells, thank you pages, all personalized for your websites, how to launch a branded store with shopping cart, product pages and checkouts, and how to import your favorite page designs and have AI personalize them in one click, and how to connect it all back to your site for a seamless experience. This is scaling with flexibility. And Ezistack was never designed to be just another site builder or to lock you into a one-size-fits-all system. It was built for scale and flexibility, for affiliate marketers, SEO pros, funnel builders, and anyone serious about online marketing and traffic. Today you'll see how it adapts to you, to your systems, your strategies, and your style. Automate where needed, control where it matters, and personalize everything. This is no longer just a builder, this is your platform. So let's dive in. Fast builds, full control, smart AI and SEO wizardry. You've seen the foundation, but you asked for more, so now we go deeper. Let me show you how Ezistack scales your way, your sites, your templates and your system. This is scale without limits. So let's start off by selecting the group that we created in the very first video. And in here, you can see the sites that we created. But to start off with, what I want to do is show you how Ezistack integrates with WordPress. So I'll go over to WordPress, and what I will do is connect a brand new site with this. I've actually created a site. It's a demo site and I've added a number of posts inside of here already. So as you can see, there's a bunch of posts that I've added in here. Okay, so what we're going to do is connect this site with Ezistack. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new bucket, and inside of here it's going to give us a plugin. So I'm going to download this plugin and I'm going to go ahead and add my URL in here as well. So I'll just go ahead and copy this URL here and I'll add it inside of here. And what I'm going to do now is, before I click on confirm, I'm going to go ahead and install the plugin inside of my WordPress blog. So I'm going to go ahead to plugins and I'm going to go ahead to install plugins. I'm going to go ahead to add plugins and I'm going to go to upload plugin and click on browse. And now I'm going to go ahead and select the very latest plugin that I've just downloaded and click on open. And I'm going to click on install now. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on activate plugin. The plugin has now been activated. I'm going to come here and click on confirm. This has now been added inside of Ezistack, and each time we click and download a plugin, what you'll notice, it gives you a unique download, which means you can't share the same plugin with multiple websites. We do this so that the plugin gets installed in a different directory every single time, so that there's no footprints whatsoever. So anyway, let me go ahead and click on edit. When I click on edit, Ezistack is going to pull in this WordPress site for us to edit. And if I now go over to posts, you'll be able to see the posts on my WordPress site. So for example, if I click on this post here, I can now edit the posts that are on my WordPress site from within Ezistack. So let's go ahead and actually have a look at this post here. So this is fundamentals 2. So offsite optimization fundamentals 2. I'll go and pull this up on the actual blog. We'll go to visit site. I'll come down here, and this is the one here with the URL slug. Okay, so this is the post here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and use Ezistack and edit it inside of Ezistack to show you exactly how this works. So I'm just going to go ahead and say Abs is doing a demo of WordPress integration. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. And once I click on submit, this has now been updated also on our WordPress blog. So if I click on F5, what you'll notice, it says Abs is doing a demo of WordPress integration. This is how simple it is to manage WordPress blogs inside of Ezistack. It makes it perfect for private blog network management. And you can also go ahead and import posts in here as well. So for example, what is SEO? How to do SEO fundamentals. Okay, and I can select whatever category I want to work with. I can go ahead, select whatever category I want to go ahead and whatever strategy I want to use to create the content, use AI to create the images, and I can schedule this on a different, based on whatever schedule that I want. I can click on confirm, and these will now go ahead and get scheduled to my WordPress blog. Okay, but I don't want to do these now, so I'm going to go ahead and delete them as well. And with WordPress, then we do have some updates that we still need to add inside of here. So you will be able to benefit from the curation features. You'll also be able to benefit from the auto update of post features inside of here as well. And you'll be able to obviously work with all of the AI features to create all of the content for your WordPress blogs as well. So whether you've got one WordPress site in here or whether you've got 100 websites inside of here, Ezistack makes it easy to manage all of them from the one dashboard. Because now I want to show you something really cool, something that I've done to the Vital Aging Hub. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. Okay, so I'll go over to the Vital Aging Hub website and I'll show you exactly what I've already configured. So I've already configured this site to have a member only content section. And the cool thing is that it works without any plugins or any external platforms. We simply protect certain parts of the site so that they're only visible to logged in users. If you're not logged in, then you're not going to see anything but the sign up link or the login page. And once you're in, then the content unlocks as well. It's a clean and secure system that just works, and it gives you full control without relying on anyone else's servers. So let me show you how this works. So on the Vital Aging Hub website, I've created this new category called Premium. Okay, I've also added in a locked widget, as you can see down here as well. So when I've locked this, as you can see, it's giving me this link where it's going to take me over to the login page. And as you can see, it's on the Vital Aging Hub website. Okay, and or if I go over to the premium category, so for example here, that's going to automatically redirect me to the sign up link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how this membership system works. So I'll go ahead and let's just say, for example, I want to see the, I want to join the Vital Circle. So you probably have a link to your funnel or something down here, but this is just going over to your login page just to show you exactly how it works. So I'll click on here. It's taking me over to a login page. I'm going to go ahead to click create a new account. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add my details in here. So I'll go ahmedravji@gmail.com. I'll go ahead and add a password in here as well. Okay, and I'll go ahead and click on sign up. Okay, so this is telling me now we've sent an email with a code to your email address. Okay, I'll put this on pause and go and grab that code. Okay, so as you can see here, here's the verification code. So I'm going to come back over to here and I'm going to add the code inside of here and I'm going to click on confirm account. Once I've confirmed, or once this has been confirmed, then it's going to redirect me over to my blog. And if I scroll down here, what you'll notice is what was locked is now a calculator and it's only available to members only. So this is how we're now able to lock content on our websites for members only to view. And if I go over to this premium category, for example, if I go over to here now, I can now see the premium category that I've created. Okay, this is brilliant stuff, guys, because now we have membership features for our websites that we create. It takes them up to the very next level. Let me show you this inside of Ezistack. So if I go over to Ezistack and I go over to categories, okay, in fact, let's go over to preview. When I go over to preview, then what you can see down here is when I go over to the premium category, then you can see down here, this is the category that we created. In fact, what we can do, guys, is let me just show you what we can do down here. We can go over to preview with edit. Okay, and I can scroll down here and I can come along to the premium category. And then on the premium category, if we wanted to move things around, you know, as I mentioned to you, all we have to do is click on edit. We can go ahead and start editing all these features down here. And you can see exactly how I created them all down here as well. So this is the premium category that we created and we've locked, guys, so that it's only accessible for members. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to lock things inside of here. So I'm going to go ahead to the widgets. Okay, inside of the widgets, I've created this new widget called protected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to the right hand sidebar. Okay, and I'll come down here and I'll add this underneath the welcome sidebar. Okay, and I'm going to set this. So I'm going to call this something like video. Okay, I'm just going to give a unique ID to this, and I'm going to say members only content. Okay, and I'm not going to add nothing down here because I don't want to show anything to the public other than anyone who's not a member, other than the pop-up form that I've actually already coded inside of here. Okay, and now I need to add a file to the members directory. So I've actually already got one down here. Hopefully I can find it down here. Let's have a look. Was it a wellness calculator? I think it was a wellness calculator. Okay, so I've already got this file created. As you can see, I'm loading it from Vitality Circle. Vitality Circle is the actual name of this category. So if you have a look down here, oops, let's go over to the main website. I've got so many tabs open. Okay, so if I go over to premium, what you can see down here, we've got Vitality Circle. That's the main category. Okay, so I'm going to load this from this exact category down here. I'm not going to have no locked message because I've already got one down there. And I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. Okay, and if I go ahead to preview and I scroll down here, what you'll notice is that we've got this locked one down here, and we've also got this locked one down here. This isn't going to show inside of Ezistack preview, guys, because it works based on an actual cookie. It isn't something that's, you know, hidden by CSS or anything like that. You can't access this unless you're a member. Simple as. It's enterprise grade security. It's not vulnerable like WordPress. It doesn't use plugins. It doesn't use your own databases. It's lovely, guys. It's the proper system for members. Okay, so anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and sync this, okay? Because at the moment, if I have a look at the main website, and if I go ahead to, let's say, the home page, and I come down here, we don't have this widget down here. So I'm going to go ahead and sync this. Okay, this is now going to sync all of the changes that we've made, including that protected widget. So I'll put this on pause, and then I'll come back when it's synced, and we'll go ahead and look at it. Okay, so this has been synced. So let's go back over to the website. And in fact, what we'll do, guys, we'll go into this through incognito this time. Okay, so I'll open up a private browser. I'll open this up now. And as we can see, when I come down here, you can see this content. Okay, you can see that I'm not going to be able to access all these areas down here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Join Vitality Circle. But this time, I'm going to log in instead of creating an account. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add ahmedravji@gmail.com, and I'm going to click on next, and now I'm going to go and log in, and as you can see, it's redirected me right back to the blog. And when I scroll down here, what you can see is we now have this members only content that has been unlocked for us. Okay, we can log our progress or whatever it is. Okay, and we can do the same with this widget as well. If you've got other widgets on the site that you've protected, maybe download links, maybe you want to turn around and share things with people on your blog, and you want to say you're sharing it for free, all you have to do is create an account, then this is where these kind of protected content areas work absolutely lovely. And what you can do down here as well is, let me just quickly show you. I'll go over to the premium category. It's all working really, really nicely for us as well. And just to let you know, if it wasn't clear, then you can actually have people being added as members from after they completed a payment from PayPal or from your Stripe account, so that it's only available to paid members. I just wanted to give you an example of how you can do it for people to sign up for free as well, but you're going to be able to do it for paid members as well. So there you go. This is zero server membership with real enterprise level security. So what I want to do now though, is now I want to show you how we can go ahead and make funnels using Ezistack to go ahead and promote our products that we've created. Okay, so the really cool thing about Ezistack is when you're on the page builder, or even when you're working with the blog, then what you can do is you can go ahead and import and add your own AI templates as well. So as you can see, I've been messing around with this before I made this video anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I should have deleted it before I started the video. But anyway, let me show you exactly what I mean. So inside of my computer here, I actually created some funnel pages. These funnel pages, I actually created them for Ezistack. They're not ready to be used yet, but I will just, going over and seeing how I would actually get this done. So let me show you these funnel pages. So here's a landing page template, for example, a landing page that I created for Ezistack. Okay, create professional websites in minutes. Stop wrestling with complicated website builders. Ezistack's AI creates stunning SEO optimized websites that convert visitors into customers. No coding required. You click on here, nice video. You can click on here as well, it gives you a nice 2-minute video. And you know what? This landing page looks good. It looks like a landing page that I can go ahead and start sending paid for traffic to from, let's say, for example, Facebook or YouTube. It's on point, it's going to share a video, and it's having the one call to action, and that is join our free 7-day trial or whatever. Okay, and then what I done there as well, I actually created in an opt-in page, and the opt-in page is where it asks them for their email. Okay, we don't have any no thank you links or anything in here, because as one action, they've already agreed that they want the content. They're going to add in their content down here. Okay, and then we have like a step 3, step 4, and so let me just show you a step 3 thank you page, a step 3 thank you page, and we also offer them an upgrade as well. Okay, so anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I imported this inside of Ezistack. Let me go back over to the page builder, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to AI templates, and I'm going to show you some of the templates that I've imported in here. In fact, let's start off with the funnel template first. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. Okay, and what you'll notice from this template is when I bring it inside of here, let me go ahead to the landing page. You can see it's the exact same template that I just showed you that I had on my computer. Okay, and it's exact same headlines and everything as well. So what I'm trying to show you now is how we can create funnels that we like. So for example, tried and tested funnels that we might have downloaded elsewhere, we might have been given, and how we can get Ezistack to customize them for everything, for any website that we want. So I'm going to show you this now, and it's done by just a click of a button. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say yes AI. I'm going to say yes AI, and I'm going to do this for all of these pages here. Basically, I'm getting all of these updated, sending over the details for Vital Aging Hub, and I'm going to get a fully personalized funnel created for us as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on OK, and we're going to get quite a few notifications down here because we've got a number of pages that are getting built. So we've got one more page that we're waiting for, which is the landing page, probably the largest of the lot. Okay, so I'll click on OK. So let's have a look at these in order, and let's see what Ezistack has just done for us. So I'll click on the landing page, and what you can see down here, fully personalized, guys. Unlock your most vibrant years with Vital Aging Hub. Ready to truly thrive, not just age gracefully. Vital Aging Hub, whatever. Click on here, you got your video. Okay, click on here, you're going to have your video as well. Check this out. This is a lovely landing page, guys, that's fully customized using a template that we've liked and added inside of Ezistack so that it can use our own designs and work with us the way that we want. And check this out, you got a free 14 days to wear Vitality Circle. What's Vitality Circle? That's the exact same members area that I actually created inside of here, the Vitality Circle. Okay, absolutely lovely. So now we have a fully fledged landing page. Let's see what happens next though. Okay, so let me just get out some of these pages again, guys. Okay, so now step 2 is the opt-in form. The opt-in form, unlock your Vitality Circle preview, age with power and purpose. Okay, so now we're giving you the opt-in. let's have a look at step number 3. Step number 3 is a thank you. Welcome to Vitality Aging Hub, but it's actually telling us we've got 3 steps down here. Okay, this is proven conversion templates, guys, fully personalized for us. Okay, and then we're giving you down here saying, yeah, tell me more about whatever. Okay, and now let's have a look at step number 4. Upsell. This is where we upsell them. We say, hang on, there's something else for you to give. You know, we've got an exclusive giveaway, even with a countdown timer. And we turn around and say, look, this is what your free resources are. This is what the premium members unlock. And this is how much it's going to cost you. Okay, and if you don't want it, then we also give a no thank you link as well. And if they click the no thank you link, then I believe they go to step number 5, downsell. Okay, and this is saying step 1 complete, step 2 complete. You're all set. We also give them the little upgrade option down here as well, but they get all of their download links now, and it's all fully set for them. And if they did upgrade, then they'll get this one here saying that you're all set, you're in the Vitality Circle, welcome to the members area, and they'll be able to get all access to the members area. So there you go, guys. Not only do we have a members area, but Ezistack has also gone out there and created us a full funnel as well. So what can make this even better for us now? So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to show you how we can actually create an e-commerce store for Vital Aging Hub or for any of our websites. It's only a small store. It's good for merch. It's good for, like, you know, giving away swag or whatever. It's not something where you can manage inventory inside of Ezistack, but that's going to come. So all I want to do is I want to show you how far we can stretch these websites if we don't already have the full functionality for them at this precise moment. So let me go ahead to AI templates. Let me come down here and let me show you this funnel, the shopping page that I've created down here. So I'm going to choose this. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you this shopping page down here. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying premium fashion. It's got our logo in here, guys, but the reason behind it is because it's using the short code to pull in our logo. So if you had this on another website, it'll be pulling in that logo. So as you can see, we've got a little store down here, and it's got full functionality inside of here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and personalize this for Vital Aging Hub, and then I'm going to show you how it looks, and I'll go through the entire checkout process as well. Okay, so that's been completed. Let's go ahead and have a look at the exact checkout experience we can expect from this. So as you can see, we've got Vital Aging Hub. Probably I'll remove the name and just keep the logo there. But you can see everything down here. Embrace your vibrant years with Vital Aging Hub. We'll come down here and you can see we've got 3 categories down here as well. They're not actually working, guys, the categories ain't, because I haven't linked them anywhere. Okay, but you can see the products down here as well. Okay, we're missing an image on this one, unfortunately, but you can see everything down here. You can even see how everything has been fully customized for this. Okay, but let me show you exactly how this works then. So I'll come down here. If I want to know details about the product, I'll click on details. I can see details about the product. I can add this to my cart. This has actually changed it to add to journey. And as you can see, I've got a shopping cart up there as well. Okay, I'll go back over to the offering. I'll come down here. I'll go ahead and add this to my cart as well from somewhere else. I'll go ahead and add this to my cart as well. What I can do now is I can click on this shopping cart, and as you can see, I've got all my data down here, and I've got a subtotal down here as well. I can actually add data minus stuff to my shopping cart as well, and then I can go ahead and proceed to checkout, and you can see you got all of your checkout details down here. Add your names, add your details, and you're just going to need to have your secure link to let people go ahead and check out, guys. It's a really nice, cool little system, but you don't get to manage your inventory. But this will come inside of Ezistack later down the line when we have time to work on a fully fledged e-commerce system. Okay, so what I want to do now though, guys, is I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so in fact, what I'll do, I'll actually show you the website first. Okay, so this is the website, guys. As you can see down here, this is a website and you can download it for free. Okay, so I'm just trying to give you an understanding of how this works. So, I mean, you know, if you wanted to go to the internet and find other websites to download and you had other places to download websites from, then just know that you're going to be able to reuse them, have Ezistack re-customize and personalize them for you. Okay, so anyway, have a look at this website. Okay, so basically, I like this website. So, well, maybe I don't, but let's just say, for example, I like this website. It's got some nice animations on there. It's got some nice sections on here. And now I want to reuse this design and have it personalized every time I create a site with Ezistack. I can do this. Okay, I've already imported this inside of here. So I'm going to go over to AI templates. I'm going to come down here. And as you can see down here, Stride, exactly the same website that we've just seen. I'm going to go ahead and click on choose. And I'm going to bring this inside of Ezistack now. I'll actually go ahead, as you can see, I called it clone.html. Okay, so I'll go ahead and actually click on this. And you can see it's the exact same Stride website. Okay, nothing has changed on here. Okay, other than I've added in some few magic prompts that are going to allow it to work with Ezistack. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on AI. And this is now going to get customized for Vital Aging Hub. And what I'm trying to show you here is that you don't have to rely on the AI to design for you. In fact, you might already have a number of website templates and a number of other kind of, pages that you like to use already. Well, you know what? You can import all of them inside of Ezistack and have Ezistack reuse them whenever you want so that it grows with you, works for you, and builds the kind of sites that you like to use. So anyway, I'm going to put this on pause. It should be done almost any second, but I believe it has to create a bunch of images as well. So I'll put it on pause and come back in a sec. And it's completed. So let's take a look to see exactly what Ezistack has done for us. So I'll click on this, and as you can see down here, Vital Aging Hub, unlock your vibrant years, embrace vital aging. And this is the exact same design that we have just imported, and we've had Ezistack and AI personalize everything for us based on the website that we're creating. There's no difference between this design and the design that I actually imported. The only difference is that it's been fully customized for our blog. Everything is done for us, even the footer sections as well. And you can compare this to this website here. It might not look as nicely styled because it's chosen maybe a few more words and everything else, as you can see down here, but you can see the design is bang on. So you can work with designs that you like, that suit you, that suit your style, so that Ezistack works for you. And finally, let's go ahead and sync everything, and then let's go ahead and link it together from our actual blog. So I'll go ahead to the widgets, and I'm going to go ahead to the navbar section, and I'll come down here. I'm going to actually delete the login. I don't think we need that. I'll go ahead and add it in here. So we'll call this premium. Okay, oops. And I'll go ahead and add the link down here. And what you can do is you guys can come along and you guys can view all these down here as well. So I'll leave a few more links in here for you as well. So I'll add one for the store. Okay, and I've got a URL down here that I've already saved for us. And finally, what I'll do is, okay, I'm not going to leave a link to this here, guys. This is the cloned one. What I'll do, I'll actually click on confirm. I'll actually show you how this looks really, really quickly so you guys can get a good understanding. You come down here, you can have a look at the premium. This will take you over to the landing page. You can click on here and you can have a look at the shopping site, but I haven't left a link to this here, Vital Aging Hub /clone.html. So if you want to have a look at this as well, guys, then all you have to do is type in clone.html. Okay, so then you can see everything that Ezistack has done for us in this video. What you just saw, today you saw how Ezistack gives you full stack freedom, WordPress integration for streamlined management, enterprise grade membership security, no plugins, no hacks, just control, locked content and widgets, full flexibility, no server required, full funnel builds, opt-ins, upsells, thank you pages and more, personalized e-commerce stores with real shopping cart and checkout, AI-powered page personalization from your own favorite designs, and seamless linking between blog, funnel, shop, and members area. This is next level scalability done your way. So let's have a quick recap of what we covered so far. In Demo 1, we saw lightning fast site creation and hosting. Demo 2 was total site and content control from a single dashboard. Demo 3, it was AI-powered traffic assets for smarter builds. Demo 4, automated freshness, schema, curation, and SEO mastery. And Demo 5 was memberships, funnels, e-commerce, and design freedom. With each step, you've seen the system expand. But we're not done yet. In the next video, I'll be pulling back the curtain. We'll cover how Ezistack handles AI usage and costs, who pays for what and when, full transparency on everything, and how to stay in control of every penny and every decision. This is the transparency video, because tools should be powerful, but you should always be in charge. And if you're serious about scale, then this is the one that you don't want to miss. This is the video that connects everything. So here are some final notes. There's still time to win a founder's license for Ezistack. Just leave a comment below this video and you'll be entered automatically. I read every single one, and your feedback, it shapes what I show next. What you've seen so far, that's because of you. So if there's anything else you'd like to see, then drop a comment and let me know. So thanks for watching. We're almost there now. This is Abs Ravji, and I'll see you in the next one, where we go behind the scenes, cover AI, costs, control, and how to stay in the driver's seat.